First of all, there were two shooters. Definitely, maybe another one. There was this guy who fired the first volley, and I fell, and other people fell because it hit our legs. We were saved because one of the people in the crowd put his gun down, otherwise we would have been dead. Then there was another volley came in because we were falling. This volley came over our heads. Look, it was a planned assassination attempt, and we knew about it. I went on air beforehand. I warned them that this is what would happen. They would blame it on some religious fanatic. And why, after the attack, the things that have happened, the cover-up that is going on. So that's why I have called for an independent investigation. These three people were responsible. If an independent or proper investigation is to be done, with them on top, it can never happen because the investigating agencies are below them. That's why also I've appealed to the Chief Justice of Pakistan to have an independent inquiry. If my allegations are wrong, then the inquiries would prove they're wrong. I know the sequence of events. I know the cover-up that took place. And it's still taking place. And we know that this was planned not now, 2 months ago.